For centuries, people have turned to nature for healing. Plants and herbs offer powerful remedies. These natural solutions have helped people for generations. Today, we see a resurgence of interest in these ancient practices. People are rediscovering the power of natural remedies. Fennel seeds in particular are gaining recognition. These tiny seeds are packed with health benefits. From aiding digestion to freshening breath, fennel seeds are versatile and effective. Let's explore the wonders of this incredible seed. Fennel seeds come from the fennel plant, a tall herb with feathery leaves that sway gently in the breeze. This plant is native to the Mediterranean region, where it thrives in the warm, sunny climate. It is now grown in many parts of the world, adapting to various climates and soils. Fennel has a long history of use in cooking and medicine, dating back to ancient civilizations. The seeds are small and oval-shaped with a distinctive licorice flavor that is both intriguing and complex. Don't let the flavor fool you. Fennel seeds are not sweet. They are often used to add depth to dishes. They have a slightly bitter, earthy taste that can surprise the uninitiated. This unique flavor adds a warm note to various dishes from savory to sweet, enhancing the overall taste experience. Ground fennel seeds are often used in spice blends, bringing a subtle yet distinct flavor to the mix. Fennel seeds are also popular in teas, known for their soothing and digestive properties. Whether in cooking, medicine, or tea, fennel seeds continue to be a versatile and cherished ingredient around the world. Fennel seeds are best known for their digestive benefits. These small, aromatic seeds have been used for centuries in various cultures to aid digestion and promote overall gut health. They contain compounds that relax the muscles in the digestive tract, which can help ease discomfort and improve the efficiency of the digestive process. This can help relieve bloating, gas, and constipation, making you feel more comfortable and at ease after meals. Try steeping a teaspoon of fennel seeds in hot water for a soothing tea. This simple remedy can be enjoyed any time of the day and is especially beneficial after a heavy meal. But the benefits don't stop there. Fennel seeds offer a range of other health advantages that go beyond just aiding digestion. Fennel seeds are also a good source of antioxidants, which are crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being. Antioxidants protect our bodies from damage caused by harmful molecules known as free radicals. By neutralizing these free radicals, antioxidants help prevent cellular damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. These seeds may also have anti-inflammatory properties, which can be beneficial for reducing inflammation in the body. This means they could help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially alleviating symptoms of inflammatory conditions and contributing to overall health and wellness. Incorporating fennel seeds into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to enhance your health. Section 4. Fennel in your kitchen. Fennel seeds are a versatile and aromatic addition to any kitchen. Incorporating fennel seeds into your diet is easy and can enhance the flavor of many dishes. These tiny seeds pack a punch of flavor and health benefits. You can chew on a teaspoon of seeds after meals to aid digestion and freshen breath. This simple habit can help with bloating and indigestion. Fennel seeds are also a great addition to baked goods. Their unique flavor can transform ordinary recipes into something special. Try adding them to bread, cookies, or muffins for a warm, aromatic flavor. The seeds add a subtle sweetness and a hint of licorice that pairs well with many baked treats. For a savory twist, toast the seeds lightly and sprinkle them over roasted vegetables or salads. Toasting enhances their flavor, making them a perfect garnish. You can even brew a refreshing fennel tea by steeping the seeds in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. This tea is not only soothing but also helps with digestion and can be enjoyed any time of the day. Section 5. Embrace the power of fennel seeds. Fennel seeds offer a multitude of health benefits. They can soothe digestive discomfort, fight free radicals, and even freshen breath. Their versatility makes them easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Whether you enjoy them as a tea, a spice, or simply chew on them, fennel seeds are a valuable addition to any diet. Embrace the power of nature's remedies and experience the difference for yourself. Section 6. A final word on fennel. Remember, while fennel seeds offer many benefits, it's always best to listen to your body. If you experience any adverse reactions, discontinue use and consult your doctor. Embrace a healthy lifestyle and unlock the power of fennel seeds. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more informative content. Stay tuned for more tips and insights.